Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Aonoka multiple sockets. 10 time of power strip, protective contact sockets, plus 4 USB power strips are available on this appliance. It's a socket distributor with surge protection, and you can see my desktop is really full. And if you have a desktop like mine, you will need such a thing here. 4000 watt, 16 ampere power, 10 time multiple sockets plus 4 USB. Yeah, in one device. That's awesome. This makes your desktop much better than before. The Aonoka 10-way multi-socket with USB socket strip with 10 sockets, 4000 watt, 16 ampere, USB charging ports. It can automatically detect our devices and delivers the fastest possible current power of up to 2.4 ampere per port, suitable for home and office use. And it's an excellent construction. The USB multiple plugs use fire protection materials with high quality ABS and copper standard design, high temperature resistant and flame retardant to avoid hidden damage and dangers, of course. The safety socket has an internal locking mechanism to prevent unwanted objects from being inserted into the socket. This also increases the safety of children and prevents them from touching the power lines. 2 LED indicator lights for surge protection and grounding for lightning protection too. The metal oxide varistors MOVS integrated in the socket strip absorb excess energy, avoid the effects of voltage spikes and indirect flash strikes on electrical devices. The USB power strip has a low, soft, weak indicator light which does not disturb us when sleeping in our break in the office, for example. Ha 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 ha! This is awesome. That's really awesome. You can see the installation is much easier. 4 USB ports, 10 time AC outlets. You have an on and off switch, and we have a safe light. We have a lightning surge protector included in USB charging protector, 750 degrees Celsius flame retardant material, and a kid's safe door. Oh yeah, the dimensions are 29.5 centimeters to 10.4 centimeters, and it's 4 centimeters thick. And integrated copper design. The metal stripes of poor copper is more stable and durable, and that's not enough. Thick core, the poor copper cable provides better conductivity. The standard weight of these cords are around about 1 millimeter in square, but this device comes with 1.5 millimeter in square. This is awesome, and you can see you can mount it on the wall. Unique design allows us to mount it anywhere we like. We can mount it at the wall, we can mount it at the ceiling, we can mount it at furniture, we can mount it everywhere we like. No prop for this device. These are the Aonoka multiple sockets, 10 times power strip, protective contact sockets, 4 times for USB power. For example, you can reload your tablets, your personal computer, your smart devices, your smartphones, your battery loading devices, or televisions, everything what will need energy, you can get it by using these multiple sockets. And additionally, you can dock so many USB devices onto it. Easy. You can see you can reload an iPad with it too. No prob for it. Oh yeah, the socket distributor with surge protection, 4000 watt power, 16 ampere. 10 times multiple sockets and 4 USB. And it's available in white and black. It looks really comfortable and nice at my wall, as you can see. And it makes my office so much cleaner, so much nicer. And this is for a better workflow, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.